Hey YouTube, Leatherwork by Lisa here. Today I'm going to show you how to braid. It's called Plait 69 and it's in this book. Okay, let's get going.
I'm using a watch strap punch to mark my holes. I am not punching through the leather at this point. To make the holes, I will use a bigger hole punch that will accommodate the 2mm leather cording that I'll be using. I'm using a Permalock needle that I purchased at Tandy Leather. I'm just threading the 2mm cording into that needle. I'll put the links to the leather braiding book and the Permalock needle in the video description. These links are affiliate links with Amazon. If you use these links, I will make a small commission. Doesn't cost you anything. The most important thing to remember when you are braiding this particular braid is whatever side you begin to place the needle, like here in this demonstration, I am going up through the left side. Then you want to make sure that you continue to go up to the left side as you work your way down the leather. To end the braid, you go through the stitches in the back of the leather. Trim. To finish off the braid, lightly tap with a hammer. And you're done.
I've been working with leather since like 2005, but it's books like these that have helped me do what I do. Highly recommend this book. And remember, like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
For more DIY leather crafting tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell to be notified when new videos are released. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.